Replacing or installing new windows is one of the most valuable upgrades you can make to your home, but choosing the right installer is just as important as choosing the right windows. For homeowners in Rowlett, local expertise isn't just a bonus, it's essential. Because Rowlett has its own unique climate, architectural styles, and building requirements, window installation professionals who understand the area are better equipped to deliver long-lasting performance, efficiency, and value. Here's why hiring a local Rowlett window expert makes all the difference when upgrading your home. A deep understanding of Rowlett's climate. Rowlett experiences a mix of hot Texas summers, humid conditions, strong storms, and occasional winter cold spells. These weather patterns can put stress on windows, especially if they're not installed properly or made from suitable materials. Local window installers understand how intense heat affects window seals and frame materials, which glass options offer the best solar control, how to prevent warping and expansion during temperature swings, which window styles hold up best in Rowlett's seasonal storms. Their recommendations are based on first-hand experience, helping homeowners choose windows that perform exceptionally well in the long run. Knowledge of local building codes and standards. Window installation must follow Rowlett's building codes to ensure safety, proper ventilation, and long-term structural performance. Local professionals stay up to date on these regulations, ensuring your project meets all legal and safety requirements. This includes energy efficiency standards, egress requirements for bedrooms, installation guidelines for storm-prone areas, rules for window placement and height. Hiring a local expert means your project is compliant, protected, and hassle-free, something out-of-town contractors may struggle to guarantee. Faster, more reliable service. Another advantage of working with local window installers is convenience. Because they operate within Rowlett and nearby areas, they can respond quickly to questions, consultations, installations, and service requests. Homeowners benefit from shorter wait times, better communication, faster problem resolution, easier warranty or follow-up service. Local companies rely on their reputation within the community, meaning they're invested in doing the job right the first time. Familiarity with Rowlett home styles and neighborhoods. Rowlett features a mix of architectural styles, from modern lakeside homes to traditional suburban neighborhoods. Local window experts understand the design trends, structural considerations, and style preferences that are common across the area. This allows them to recommend windows that match the character of your home, improve curb appeal, complement neighborhood aesthetics, increase resale value. Their tailored approach ensures your home looks beautiful and cohesive after installation. Better recommendations on energy-efficient options. Energy efficiency is especially important in Rowlett due to long, hot summers that drive up cooling costs. Local experts know which window technologies work best in North Texas, such as low-E coatings to reduce heat gain, argon gas fills for enhanced insulation, vinyl or composite frames that resist warping, double or triple pane glass for balanced performance. Because they're familiar with utility costs and common homeowner concerns in Rowlett, they can guide you to options that truly save money and improve comfort. Local accountability and trust. Home improvement projects become much easier when you're working with professionals who live and work in your community. Local window installers depend on positive word of mouth and long-term customer relationships. Choosing local expertise means you're supporting your community. You get personalized, attentive service. There's accountability. If issues arise, they understand your expectations as a Rowlett homeowner. Local professionals build trust by standing behind their work and offering ongoing support long after the installation is complete. A smart choice for Rowlett homeowners. Window installation isn't just about putting glass in a frame. It's about choosing the right windows for your climate, ensuring proper installation, and protecting your home for years to come. For Rowlett homeowners, hiring local experts ensures the job is done with your specific needs in mind. If you want windows that look great, perform well, and stand up to Rowlett's unique weather conditions, choosing a local window installation professional is the smartest and most reliable choice.